I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far.
What do you think of all this snow? First, I gotta shovel out a way so that way I can get into the yard. Might as well start it and warm it up while I'm shoveling. Alright, so I got this shoveled out. That way I don't get stuck on the way out, not even getting out of the driveway. I'm just gonna full send it, that way I don't get stuck in the yard, because I've never ridden in this deep of snow. My buddy was out yesterday though, he has a Sportsman, I'm pretty sure, riding in like 2 feet of snow. So if he made it, I should make it. Let's get into it. It's doing foliage drive. I think that just because that's some crazy snow. Yeah, that's pretty deep. It seems to be making it through this spot. And this is like the least deep part of the yard. But if you go over there, it's really deep. I'll walk through there. Not to rev it up too long. Oh my god. That's fun. Alright, let's go check the yard out. That's a lot of snow. I'll show you how deep it is over there. Yeah, right here would be very difficult. I'm not going to go through there. Because look at this, look how deep this is. There ain't no way I'm gonna make it through that unless I like full send, full speed through there. Then it gets deep over here too. Those are my footprints from last night whenever I walked out here. It's right here. I have never ridden in snow this deep, so go walk over here to the mud hole and see how that is. But I haven't been posting the video that's supposed to come out today or tomorrow, basically after New Year's and Christmas and whatnot. I haven't posted in like a month. I've kind of been thinking I'm gonna try just bring better content and not post as much, because I just want to post better videos. I don't want to post something that's not edited good. Found what I was doing wrong and how to make videos better. I ain't even touching the ground yet, but I'll rip it through here once and see if I make it, because if worse comes to worse and I get stuck, all I gotta do is shovel myself out. I don't know, where should we ride at? Like these roads got cleaned up more overnight. They were really bad yesterday. Oh, I was looking for a winch too. If anybody has a winch, I'll trade for an Xbox One. I'll trade an Xbox One for a winch. I mean, that's crazy. Look at that. A lot of snow up in there. Heck. Thought about putting my flag on, but ones that get torn off in the snow. This would be the perfect time to have someone go sledding with. Well, let's see if I can get any donuts in. Let's go backwards. I'm not going through there. Let's see, it'll still make it through. Crap, that's deep. But I know I can go around this way and come through, but I don't think I'm making it over this. Holy crap, that is up to my knee. What I need to do is get that cleared out, because there's a buck walking through here. There's tracks, but I don't know if it's been back here or not lately. Let's see what we can get into. This spot up here is wild. I don't think I'm making it through that. It's one way to clean out the inside. We haven't gotten any good snow. Like, it's January 18th, snow yesterday night, like a snowstorm hit. Like, there was no snow on the ground, and then like literally like 5 hours later there was like a crazy amount of snow, and then it kept snowing overnight, and then it snowed a little bit yesterday. I think it was a lot. Oh, that's a good picture. Go up to the shed real quick, or not the shed, the tree house. Yeah, I'm gonna call somebody real quick, see if he wants to come sled. see how far I'll make it in two-wheel drive. Yeah, not very far. Oh shoot. Now it's getting hot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to park it for a little. It's getting way too hot. Oh shoot. Alright, well, probably gonna end the video here. Pretty fun. Got to see how this thing does in this a lot of snow. If you like the video, like it. Subscribe if you wanna see me ride more. See me go to some parks soon, maybe. Yeah, that was pretty fun. But yeah, I enjoyed that. That was actually really fun today. I'll see you guys later.